guys, Rory Staub here. Today I'm going to teach you how to make homemade paper out of old newspaper. So, to begin, you need a container. Any size is fine as long as water won't fall through the bottom. Some water that fills approximately half of your container. And some old newspaper. So, to begin, pour all of the water until it is approximately half full. And take a sheet and rip it all up into pieces. Once it's in the water, move it around a little bit, squish it down, get the water in there. And you can start ripping it up. Once you have all the newspaper into little pieces, put it aside and wait until the next day. Now you have let the paper soak overnight, and then you open it up, then keep working with it. It's going to be a lot easier to rip now. So just rip it up more into tinier pieces than before. By now you should start getting a kind of pulp. So keep working with it as long as you want. Work with the newspaper and break it up every day until you get a consistently smooth pulp. Once you have the pulp ready, find a sunny day and take a screen and start pushing thinly all the pulp onto the screen. Once you have finished putting down some pulp, take a towel and press on the pulp so the water falls through the holes of the screen. This will make it easier to dry later. Once you have finished putting down all the pulp onto the screen, put the screen in a sunny place in order so there's airspace underneath the screen. Leave it out every sunny day and take it in the night and on rainy days. Once the paper is almost dry, take it and start taking it off the screen. Then you can move the screen aside. Let the paper sit until the paper is completely dry. Then you can use it for whatever you like. Thanks for watching. I'm Rory Staub.